welcome back to another video by Nepal Real Estate Solution. This is your host and designer architect Kripatim Sinha. We have an exciting one for you today. We are here at Bhaisepati Kshetra, which is just 1.8 kilometers away from the main ring road, Nakhu Dobato main ring road highway, and we're just 200 to 300 meters away from the main Bhaisepati highway. We are in a very peaceful location. This is exciting video. This is an apartment tour of 3 BHK apartment unit on the first floor level. We're gonna give you a little tour of that apartment. We're here in a very peaceful location. Groceries, gyms and many other services are available at just 500-meter distance. So it's in a walking distance. Peaceful neighborhood, cozy neighborhood, lively neighborhood. And now without further delay, I think let's start this apartment unit tour. So as soon as you come up from the staircase or the lift that is given in this building, 5-story apartment building, this is your first floor level and this is a 3 BHK apartment unit. So as soon as you enter, you're welcomed by the energy of this living room space. This is the living space with a AC, central chandelier, very nicely done false ceiling, and here is your 9-seater sofa. However, you can also adjust 13 people in this space for you to enjoy this TV over there when you're organizing a party. So across this living room space over here is your kitchen space. So you see this countertop over here of 2-seater, very interesting to look at as well, and this is your countertop. Very generous space provided for this entire kitchen space. You get 2 fixed windows on this portion, and this is your Ubo brand gas hub and a chimney. You get all these boxes that are available here, all these kitchen appliances will be available here for rent. You get this generous space on this lower cabinet and upper cabinet, and this is the basket modular kitchen. So on this portion is your double barrel sink, and on the top over this is your Kent Supreme water filter. You get a water heater of Jaguar brand. This is your refrigerator. This is your sink over here. And across this kitchen space is your 6-seater dining table, and this is your dining space. This is well lit from this portion, from this floor to ceiling height windows. Central portion you see the chandelier that gives that interesting dimension to this dining space. So I think this is it for the living room, living space, dining space and the kitchen area. So across this is your bedroom number 1, which we enter from this doorway. So this is your bedroom number 1. You see this flexibility provided by this fan over here and the AC, so which is very interesting as well. And this is your bed, very comfortable mattress, very interesting looking this bedside light. Very minimally done false ceiling light. You see this floor to ceiling height sliding UPVC doorway that leads onto your balcony overlooking the nice and serene view of this entire locality. This is a very peaceful location. We are here at Bhaisepati Kshetra, so very peaceful location, very lively location actually. And this is your cabinet over here for that statement piece. Across this is your closet space, and here is your attached bathroom. So this is your attached bathroom. You get this basin countertop over here. You can just put on a makeup on this countertop as well. Massive mirror over here, wall hung commode, and interesting shower. So you get that rainy kind of experience from this shower here that is over the top. And this is it for the bedroom number 1. Now let's head on to the bedroom number 2 across that living room space. So this is your bedroom number 2. You see this sunlight flooding inside this bedroom, floor to ceiling height doorway leading onto the balcony. On that balcony you will also get to see the washing machine that is available for the laundry. This is your bed, similar looking bed, comfortable mattress, interesting looking wall light, bedside light, and that bed and this intricately this is minimally done false ceiling. You get this flexibility from the fan and the AC over there. You get this multiple switch that is along the side of the bed and on the mini portion of the walls. Across this is your closet space. You get this built-in wardrobe over here, generous enough, and this is your attached bathroom over here. So similar layout for the attached bathroom, basin countertop, massive mirror, Jaguar heating. Every water faucet you see in this bathroom is of Kohler brand of high quality, and this is your shower space of similar layout. So I think this is it for the bedroom number 2. Now let's head on to the bedroom number 3. So this is your bedroom number 3. You get this built-in wardrobe over here, similar bed, comfortable mattress again, and this light over here, minimally done false ceiling, and here is also a AC and a fan, so that flexibility offers by this bedroom. You get this floor to ceiling high doorway leading onto the balcony overlooking the nice and serene view. This is your attached bathroom. So from this doorway, this is your attached bathroom of bedroom number 3. Interesting feature about this floor plan is, this is your attached bathroom and you can convert this into your common bathroom from this doorway whenever you are having a party or inviting your friends over. Very clever idea in terms of design. This is a space saving idea as well. So I think this is it for this 3 BHK apartment unit here at a very peaceful location, cozy and posh location of Bhaisepati Awas Kshetra. And this 3 BHK unit is available for rent at $1,500 per month. So if you know someone who's interested in staying in rent in this 3 BHK apartment unit here at Bhaisepati Awas Kshetra, then please share this video with them. And if you are someone who's interested in staying in rent in this apartment unit, then please contact us, Nepal Real Estate Solution. And if you appreciate our work, please do like and subscribe to our channel. This is your host and designer architect Kripatim Sinha. Thank you.